Good evening everyone. As you can see, I've got some 3D printers, new ones, which I'm going to be unboxing soon. We've got a P1P there, we got the old A1 Mini by there, we got an A1 by there, A1 Mini down there, new A1 Mini there boxed, A1 Mini, A1 Mini, and AMS that goes on top of the P1P. So I haven't done a lot of 3D printing for a while, but as you can see, it's a bit of a mess here. So we're going to clean all this up. We're going to put some shelving up there for all the filament, and we're going to get back into the 3D printing business because I've had quite a lot of interest from a local shop who wants to start selling it. So these little ones are great for starting off. They can do all sorts of printing. And then the A1 with the 4 reels. You can have 4 different reels on each one of these. And you can have multicoloured prints, which they're really good there. There's the bed. There's a new bed going on that one. As the old one was tended to stick a lot. So I've got 2 brand new ones of them. A1s, so we'll be unboxing them, and we'll be making more stuff again. I'll be telling you which things actually sell. It's all very well making stuff all the time, but unless it sells, there's no point, is there, you know? Like, these are a good seller now. Right, it's a toilet roll holder, and your mobile phone can go on there, and just screws to the wall in your toilet. They sell for about £8. You can send them all over the country. They're very, very light, hardly any infill in them, so they're a good seller. Another good seller are these. Everybody has them, don't they? You know, the old sharpener, and they're really good for keeping pens and pencils, your child's stuff in there. That's a heart-shaped mobile phone holder. The phone goes in there. It's in a nice heart shape. Can I say a big thank you to the Gilhaney brothers, which I met tonight. They're a great laugh, and they all got videos and YouTube channels. So I'll put a link into this video to all their video channels. And they're great bunch of people, and I had a big welcome from everybody there, Princess, everybody, and it was a great, good laugh, real good laugh. I enjoyed myself. So anyway, come back for more 3D printing, and we'll see what we can make, and see what we can sell, and I'll tell you exactly how much I'm selling for. Okay, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you soon.